is, without a doubt, the greatest painter of the decade. And it is the shared belief of this committee, one of the greatest painters alive today. It is with great pleasure I announce the youngest and most extraordinarily accomplished recipients of the Turner Prize, Vincent Alexander Keyes.
And you know how expensive George is.
I thought you were coming to my show.
I told you I would try and come. George had time this morning and you were only supposed to be uptown for an hour.
I was looking for you?
I was waiting for you.
You said you'd come.
You said you'd come. Honestly, I'm so tired of you and your friends having a good time while I plan our life. Look, George was suggesting that for the reception, we have this incredible red color covering the tables, and then maybe for the chairs. What is it?
Nothing. What were you saying?
Look, the caterers need to know by Thursday what to expect. And the guest list is still this mile long, and I can't handle you complaining about some shade of color. What the hell is wrong with you?
Were you looking to marry a painter or a wedding planner?
I expect you to be a painter, but I'm also expecting you to be a husband. A husband will help me choose a fucking color.
How dare you condemn me for this when you can't even show up?
Oh my God! This is about me not showing up to your dumb award show?
Listen. What I'm trying to say is my work.
Your work. Your work. You know what? Why don't you paint your picture and leave me the fuck out of it?
Vincent.
Saul, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Where the hell were you after the award?
I had to go see Maria.
Oh, God. You know, there were so many people that wanted to meet you. I mean, there were people there from the Whitney, from the Guggenheim. You know what? The guy from the Getty.
I don't care who was there.
What do you mean you don't care who was there? Don't you want to sell this painting?
I don't care about selling my painting.
People are offering a fortune for this painting, and you can paint the same painting for the rest of your life, and you'll be rich, will be rich.
Money isn't my motivation.
Yeah, I know you're an artist and all that, and I respect that, but look, I'm telling you, it's like, it doesn't matter what people think. If they understand your painting, they're gonna pay. Who cares?
I do.
Well, you know what? That just doesn't make any sense, Vincent. I love you. Wait, hold on. Goddamn allergies. Look.
I like your work.
Who the hell are you and how did you get into my house?
I was at your show. Impressive.
What? Are you a critic? What magazine? Wait. How the hell did you get into my house?
I'm only trying to compliment your work.
Sir? I'm sorry. I need to ask you to leave now.
It isn't often I talk to people.
What do you want?
Nothing. I'm just behind that closing curtain. Waiting.
Who are you?
A gentleman. A poet. I am death. I've met a few painters since I've been around. They all lay claim to some ability to breathe life into swirls of paint. It does make me wonder, is there an immortality even I cannot disturb? Of course, there are painters whose work I enjoy. Those I don't care for so much. But you? I like your work. I want you to paint me. A portrait, if you will.
Of you?
Yes, me. And I want a pastel. I love pastels.
Well, you'd have to model for me.
Of course.
But isn't it my time to die?
It is.
So I'll die when I finish your painting.
Not necessarily.
So if it's good enough, I mean, if you're pleased with my work, you'll let me live?
Why not? How does it look?
It's getting there.
May I see it? Vincent!
Yes, fine. It's just a rough draft, but...
Excellent. You're outdoing yourself.
Would you stop moving?
Something wrong?
I'm supposed to be getting married soon. Doesn't look like she wants to anymore.
Why not?
I don't think I have it in me to be a painter and a husband.
It's been done before.
Yes, but she expects something more.
And what do you expect?
Peace and quiet.
Why?
So I can paint.
Vincent. Successful art is rarely born out of a vacuum.
Yeah, well, it's hopeless anyways. Unless... well... I couldn't convince you to let me keep on living.
Keep painting.
Tomorrow.
Not used to waiting.